Yo, what's up guys? Be Life here with another bike update video. As you can see, she's all put together. Some exciting news. Got her up and running today. I was able to ride her for the first time since I've got it. Ooh, boy, did that shit feel nice. Yes, it did. There's still a couple things that I gotta do to just to make it a little bit more reliable, a little bit more better functioning, if you would. But other than that, shit, I'm gonna just show y'all. Y'all just gonna have to see. Well, here I guess. So that is that. God damn it, why you do that? Like I said, there's a couple of things that I gotta do to it, just get it better running. And there it goes. But was able to get it out and riding, so on a positive note with that. There'll be more to come. But shit. Exciting stuff. Just want to let y'all in on this. Let y'all see how it's coming along with the Nighthawk 1992 CB 750. She coming along real nicely. Only more to go though. See y'all next video. Peace out. One love. And we'll see y'all next time.